guys, this is Ate Sel. For today's video ay mag-pork ampalaya tayo again. At ito na nga po, unahin lang natin yung bawang, sibuyas, marinated na karne, haluin lang natin na very light, tubig, takpan at hayaan kumulo para lumambot ang mga karne. Season natin ng paminta powder, toyo, sugar, pambalance ng lasa, ampalaya, tinunaw na cornstarch, bell pepper. Huwag kalimutan tikman para ma-adjust yung lasa kung may kulang. Sarap na po siya, guys. At ito na po, guys. Luto na po ang ating pork ampalaya. Yun lang po, guys. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Cooking by Ate Sel. Ingat!